So hello namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we'll be doing a teaser of VJ Central Avenue Kharadi, which is located near Yashwant Nagar, Kharadi, Pune and developed by Vilas Javadekar Developers. So in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, cafeteria, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before talking about the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. And now let's talk about the overview of the project. VJ Central Avenue will be constructed on 3 acres of land parcel consisting of 2 towers. Each tower will be having 3 basement plus ground plus 23 floors, having premium commercial office spaces. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के सराउंडिंग और कनेक्टिविटी की। तो आप देख सकते हैं मैं एक्चुअल लोकेशन पे खड़ी हूँ और मेरे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में देख सकते हैं ये रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस एंड राइट बिहाइंड आप देख सकते हैं ये रहेगा इनका लैंड पार्सल। और अगर हम लोकेशन की बात करते हैं ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट, तो प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर ब्लू रेडिसन होटल, सेंट्रल खराड़ी, पुणे। और जो ये आप रोड देख रहे हैं ये डायरेक्टली आपको कनेक्ट करता है नगर हाईवे से। और अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करते हैं तो यू कैन ऑल्सो कनेक्ट रेडिसन ब्लू होटल विद इन 1 किलोमीटर, रिलायंस स्मार्ट विद इन 1.9 किलोमीटर एंड नगर हाईवे विद इन 1 किलोमीटर ऑल्सो. And now coming to the amenities part of the project has 30 plus luxurious amenities like clubhouse, business centers, multi-purpose hall, luxurious entrance lobby, gym and many more. And now moving forward towards the cafeteria of the project, VJ Central Avenue has premium commercial spaces starting from 240 to 310 square feet cafeteria. And now let's talk about the booking process of the project. Our booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain you the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the actual pricing and payment schemes with the location of the project. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the teaser of VJ Central Avenue Kharadi, which is located near Yashwant Nagar, Kharadi, Pune and developed by Vilas Javadekar Developers. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section. And for more such videos, click on the given below link. And do like, share, subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.